Papa owned the world. That's the title. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Please kindly like, share and comment. Let me know where you are watching from. And Rose is also available on the platform. If you are blessed by it and you want to support the platform, why not go ahead and make use of the Rose. God bless you.
Papa own the world. Anything I need in that time. Now my Papa own the world. Now my Papa own the world. 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 Shake your body, on the world. Press the control. On the world. Shake your body, on. It's money talk. Now my Papa. Papa supply. If him on the heaven, if him on the earth, why my story don't go better? Now my Papa gets what? I know fear tomorrow. Papa there for me. Everywhere I walk, I go better thing they see. It's all lock 7 times, Papa go unlock. Because the whole wide world now him and they hold on tight. Now my Papa own the world. Own the world.
Me Where Grace Carry Me is the title for this one. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Please kindly like, share and comment as you join. Rose is also available on the platform. If you are blessed by it and you want to support the platform, go ahead. God bless you. Welcome on board. DJ Jerryman live in the studio with original song produced from the studio. God bless you.
DJ Jerryman, turn am loud. If grace they push your life, shout out. This one na me where grace carry me. Me where grace carry me. Me where grace carry me. Hey, no be by power, na grace carry me. Me where grace carry me. Me where grace carry me. If you ask how I dey stand. First around you, me where grace carry me. First around you, me where grace carry me. First around